राज्यांत चवथ बरे रितीन मनोवची म्हण उत्तर गोंयांत पुलिशेन कडक बंदोबस्त केला. सुरक्षतेचो प्रश्न नदरे मुखार दवरून नाकाबंदी घाल्यात. कांय कडेन सरप्रायज नाकाबंदी घाल्यात म्हण म्हायती उत्तर गोंय एसपी चंदन चौधरी हिणें दिल्या. तशेंच एसपी चौधरीन गोंयकारांक चवथीच्यो परबी भेटयल्यात. RDX खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मनोली.
Very happy Ganesh Chaturthi festival. From the security viewpoint, we have made elaborate arrangements, and all the police stations have been given directions to put Nagabandi points, static points, as well as to ensure that the PCR vans under their command and control, they are doing patrolling at nights. A lot of people will be leaving their houses and they will be going to their villages in order to attend and celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi festivals. They are also humbly requested and directed to give the intimation in case they are leaving their houses to their neighbors as well as to the nearest police station, so that patrolling can be enhanced in that particular area. We are putting surprise nakabandis at various points across the district in order to ensure that all the vehicles are checked and any suspicious person or any suspicious vehicle moving around in the jurisdiction is questioned, and immediate necessary legal measures are taken in order to avoid any untoward incident happening in the district.